Comment t'as senti?
How would you feel?
Sous seyon tout son garçon marié avec une fille.
If you're a man married to a woman
Et pour ouais, toute attention fille,
and you see all of her attention
c'est pour l'autre monsieur.
is towards another man.
Chaque temps la parler,
Every time she's talking,
ou les gens,
your name is John,
mais chaque temps la parler,
but when he speaks,
c'est de petit pied la parole.
she's talking about Peter.
Toute attention c'est petit pied.
All her attention is towards Peter.
Li vini nan kala ou gade wap vin so travail wap entre nan kala
You
ou
come
bon
from
sak
work,
manger.
you see a good
Ou
food is
même ou
being
pense c'est
cooked.
pour vous. Non, c'est pour petit
You
pied.
think the food is for you. She says, no, it's Peter's food.
Anniversaire pas oublié, mais anniversaire petit pied gen gros cadeau.
Your anniversary is forgotten, but Peter's anniversary has great gifts along with it.
Comment t'as senti dans relation ça?
How would you feel in that relationship?
Jean ou t'as senti là?
The way that you would feel in that
C'est
situation.
comme ça l'Éternel sentit.
That's how the Lord feels
L'Éternel garde le ouais Facebook.
when he sees Facebook.
Avec non.
Talk to me.
Facebook gagne plus attention dans la vie ou que l'Éternel.
When he sees that Facebook gets more attention than
Si
the
vous
Lord.
regardez temps passé dans Facebook et temps passé dans la prière, ou est Facebook gagne plus attention.
You compare the time you spend on Facebook and in prayer, you see Facebook has more attention.
Facebook gagne plus love.
Facebook gets more love.
Ou by Facebook love de pour lever le matin.
You get Facebook love in the
Non,
morning when you wake up.
vous faites une heure, on va by Facebook love.
Before you go to bed, you spend an
Tandis qu'on
hour
prie,
loving
prier.
Facebook, but you don't pray.